Good morning, guys. It's January 22nd today, and we had a snowstorm last night, so let's check it out. Nag-snow na po din. Okay, let's check out our front. Okay, let's check out our front yard. Let's open the garage door. There you go. Na. Oh, nice kaayo. Puti kaayo siya. As in, Daddy's car is filled with snow too. Oh my God, it's green. And this is our front yard. Our neighbors are already playing outside. Nice kaayo basta mag-snow. See? Tulat na sila sa gawas. Sledding na. Nice kayo. It's not safe to drive today. So puyo og balay. Kay slippery kayo ang mga roads. Yeah, nice. Para matunaw ra ni unya kay nagsani mong pud siya. So it's so nice. Yeah, this is our front yard. It's pretty nice now. Okay, balik ta sulod. Tugnaw. Let's check our backyard. Oops. Hey, buds. There's our backyard. Let's check our backyard. Papa kayo ang nice backyard. It's very white. Ganda. Ganda ng view. Yeah. Ma-melt na rin siya kanya. Sunny man siya. But still, it's so pretty. And that's our backyard. Alright, that's our snow update today, January 22nd. Thank you for watching.